the King Power Duty Free. So, lahat ng mga luxury brand, andyan siya. So, if you would like to visit this store, you should bring your passport with you. And then, meron siyang registration area, which is on that part, no? That's the registration area. There are two options ang pwede mangyari dyan. They have the blue tag and the white tag. The blue tag, makukuha mo siya after mo siya pinurchase. And the white tag, they're gonna bring in dun sa airport kung saan kayo lilipad. So, yun. That's the King Power Duty Free here in Rangnam Road in Bangkok, Thailand. At saka guys, another thing, dito pala sa Thailand, Diyos ko, napakaraming mga 7-Eleven stores. So, doon pa lang sa pinuntahan natin kahapon, we have like dalawang 7-Eleven na. And this is the third 7-Eleven within the street. So, yeah. And then they have a good cafe here as well. Been around. Yeah, they have good caramel macchiato. Last time dyan ako umorder. Ayun guys, so, yayaman ng mga Thais. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay nila. You know. So, dito sa Thailand guys, napaka-normal lang na makakita ka ng BMW, Mercedes-Benz at Audi cars. So, kung sa atin may, mga mayayaman lang ang nakaka-afford nun, dito sa Thailand, it's like an ordinary thing. And the good thing about this sa Thailand is, ginagawa nilang Grab ang Honda. So, yeah. Talagang mayayaman ang mga Thais. So, street foods. Ayan, mga local karenderias nila. Ayan, mga local Thais. They spend the day, like, after work, no? They're eating with their friends. So, mostly with the same Filipino culture that we have. So yun, a cannabis shop guys. It's a cannabis shop.
I saw some.
Ayan. Ang mga authentic street food ng Thailand. Actually, kukunti pa lang to guys. It's just like few meters away pa lang to. Nabuko. Mga spa. And then another coffee shop. I haven't tried this coffee shop, but they said that this coffee shop is good. Ayan guys, so mga pomelo, melon, papaya, ayan. They're typical street food. And today's agenda guys, we need to look for the mango sticky rice. So, we do have one, but let's try some more, no? Let's explore the area. So guys, ito yung sinasabi kong Century Mall, Century Movie Plaza, no? Dito rin siya sa Rangnam Plaza, malapit siya dito sa may Victory Monument Station ng BTS. So pagbaba mo pa lang siya, around mga 6 in the afternoon or 6 in the evening rather, Thai time is andito na talaga. Nagsiset up na sila dito. So marami-rami na rin na pwedeng makain dito sa area na to. What we're exploring right now is yung kanilang street food area. Pero guys, napakainit dito ha. Ang init dito sa Thailand. It's legit heat. Ayan. So, ayan guys. We have, ito na yung mga fruits nila. This one. Okay. Yes.